Knife heads, welcome back to the Knife Nut channel. Today, we are going to take a look at a couple projects I did. Nothing major, you know. I decided to get me a couple thumb studs. Well, I was looking for one thumb stud for I could put it on one knife. I thought you had to drill holes in the blade and all that stuff, but I come to realize you don't. They got some that got set screws. So I decided to put it on one of my knives, which I'm getting ready to show you guys. And I'm going to give you a little look at it and let you guys see what you think. I think it turned out pretty cool, but I'll let you guys tell me what y'all think. Let's check them out. What do you say? Alright, so the first one. Man, the leaves are falling. Winter times are coming, guys. Alright, the first one's clipped to my pocket. I wear this knife every day. I just don't show it a lot of times in my pocket dumps, but pull it out. Angle you guys back up where you can see. It's the tribal lock. And I put this brass, or not brass, I guess it's stainless steel on it. Just put it in your hand. Just give it a little flick. It's a slow roller. If you guys can see, if I can get it where you can see, hold on, let me see it right there. Now when you look them up, it's going to say for a 110 or a 112 buck, but they will fit on a case tribal lock, and they will fit on. Hold on, I got a few in my pocket. I got to dig it out. They will fit on a case copperhead. Come on. What I like about it, check it out. Hold on, let me get it where. That one might have slid or something. Or I just ain't holding it right. There we go. I wasn't holding it right, gentlemen. Let me try it again. I'm still new to all these thumb studs. I've never been a thumb stud type of guy. Do something different. And if I don't like it, I decide to take them off. I just take that set screw right there out. That's all it is. But I didn't do the video of installing it on this one, but I showed you guys when I put it on. I did a full video when I installed it on the tribal lock. You guys is getting ready to see it right now. Alright, y'all. So this is the thumb stud. I got it off of Amazon. It ain't nothing special. I got two for the price of $8.99, I think it was. And I just went with the regular silver. I think it'll match the old tribal lock just fine. Don't y'all? I'm gonna put this on there and see what we think about it. I will tell y'all, I've never done this before, so it might be wrong. So I'm just gonna sit it on there for now. Comes with this little Allen wrench. It's real easy process, seems like. There we go. I like it because you can move it. If it ain't where you want it, you can just keep on adjusting it. For single action a ploy. You know what I'm saying? There we go. It's easy. Easy as that. Oh yeah. I might have to scoot it back just a little bit. That way I ain't gotta adjust my hand when I do it. Let's move it back just a little bit. So if you guys want something like this to put on your knife, go on Amazon and just put in thumb studs for a pocket knife, and every one of them is going to tell you it's for a $1.10 or a $1.12. And so I got one that for a $1.10, and I put it on my travel lock. Let's see. I don't know, I'm gonna have to play with it and see, get it where I like it. Let me move it one more time, guys. Then I'll let you guys go. Let's try it right there. I'm gonna leave it right there where it's at. I'm gonna play with it for a couple days. What do y'all think? Think it looks silly on there? I got one more, so I'm probably gonna put it on something too. But I carry this knife every day. I use it for work because it's got the pocket clip. So I thought I'd get me a thumb stud and try it out. One hand opening, baby. Come on. The thumb stud, Amazon special. I got two for $8.99. They had a pack for 13 with different ones, black, copper, stainless steel. I think it was $13.99. I think it was for like 10 or 12 of them. I ain't for sure how many, but it was a bunch. I didn't need that many. I just wanted two to see if I like it, because I've never put one of these on a knife before. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Y'all stay classy. You hear? Look here, guys. I done did it to two knives. Thumb stud there. Thumb stud on my copper head. Natural bone. Barn board jig, copper head, single blade. Straight down Broadway. With the thumb stud. What do y'all think? I think it looks sexy on there, don't y'all? And the travel lock. I think I'm gonna have to get some more of these thumb studs. And do a few more of my single blades. I really be digging it now, guys. You might be seeing a trend. Get it where you guys can see. Look how easy it is to do this copper head. I messed up. Easy as 1, 2, 3. One more time. Boom. Y'all, stay classy and get you a thumb stud off Amazon. I got both of these for $8.99. Hold on 1 second. No, I threw it away. I was going to show you the bag I had, but y'all, stay classy. You hear?